We're going to do all the state stuff. I just did an IFTA video on filing IFTA, but you've also got Kentucky, New Mexico, Oregon, New York, Connecticut. So, and if you don't run the states, you don't have to mess with it, but I'm just doing all of them. I think Oregon, I don't know, there's something weird about Oregon. I think you have to like keep applying for, I don't know. I forgot what it was. All right, so we're going to do Kentucky. So if you saved all the, like, these can be pretty quick. And I think Kentucky might be, like, so I've got a different one saved for Kentucky. Like, once it goes into their little internal protected thing, like, I think this online gateway, like, I might just log into this and it will automatically. So I'll try that first. Your password has expired. What? 8 characters, lower, upper, number, does not include first name. If I remember right, you always have to allow them to use your location because I don't know, I think it saves register with, no. I'm pretty sure I'm already registered as an organ donor. I think you have to allow them to use your location. I think it uses like your IP address since it's a official form. Motor carrier portal. Alerts. Okay. Well, that takes us to the same. I guess that might have been the long way to do it. So we got all these here. We're going to the KYU, Kentucky Weight Distance Tax. Apply, E-File. Well, no, now it's taking me back here. So I guess it's better to start on the website because it takes you back here. Okay, well, I guess it knew we were already logged in. Okay, so it shows that our UCR is already updated. But oh, okay. Well, that's what we clicked on the first time. I don't know why it doesn't just bring you to this. Next. Everything's the same. So we're doing it for the quarter ends in, so we're doing it for Q4 25. Due date is the end of January. Next. You have one filing due. Okay. Kentucky miles. I'm just going to look through I'm going to look at like this IFTA stuff I just did because that's got all my mileage on it. So you're probably not seeing anything I'm doing right now. But Kentucky 216, yeah. So I think I used that. I think it was 216 because this is the actual tax manager IFTA report. So I'm just going to go off the IFTA report that my ELD provided. So 216. Keep the vehicle's inventory updated. Yep. If the business closed, leased to another company, so keep the company in order to be approved. Do you want to submit a request to cancel your license? No. We don't want to do that. Okay. ACH. This is so weird. Everywhere else you pay through your bank account with like an online, like a transfer, an ACH transfer. That saves you money. Here at Kentucky, you pay an extra 4%. I guess this helps like massive, like huge fleets that run a lot of miles because the percentage would be more, and it's just a flat $3. Or maybe if you run a lot of miles through Kentucky, but it's weird that the credit card option is cheaper. Proceed to pay. Hopefully you saved my... I hope they saved my credit card. All right, and that's it. So we got our confirmation. Before we do finish, I'm just going to print this. Not actually going to print it. I'm just going to save it as a PDF. Okay, so this website is drive.ky.gov. This is what it looks like when you first log in. You should go to the, well, let me go to the main thing. Just to, I forgot, I don't think I said what the website was, but earlier. But here it is at the very top. It's ky.gov is the main web page, and then drive dot is in front of the ky.gov for this part. Then you'll go to motor carriers. That's what brings this up. That's how you get to this KYU weight distance thing. And then if you're doing it the first time, you go to apply for KYU license. If you need to change the number of trucks in your fleet, you update KYU Inventory. If you're doing what I just did, I just clicked on the KYU E-File, and that brought me to their gateway. I did it in reverse order. I started at the gateway. So I'd already logged in. Since I'm already logged in, it just brings me straight to this page.